Hey entrepreneurs, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips, and in this video I'm answering one of the most common questions that I get on this YouTube channel, which is, Sam, how do you actually go about starting an online business? Now, starting an online business for most people can seem very daunting. There's so many different things to keep in mind, but to be 100% honest, depending on what business model you decide to go for, then you don't need to really learn everything. You just need to learn what's essential to you. So what are some of the business models that you can potentially adopt when starting your business? Well, that's the first thing you want to keep in mind when starting your online business. And some of the business models online include affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is when you are selling someone else's product or service in return for a commission. So for example, you might build a niche audience on platforms such as YouTube or Instagram, or maybe grow an email list. And if that niche audience is interested in particular products and particular services, you can join what's known as affiliate programs. Now, you can join networks such as cj.com and shareasell.com, and you can also join the Amazon affiliate program as well. And you can actually get a special link. When someone clicks your special link and goes to the website and makes a purchase, then you earn a commission off of that sale, and that's a great way to generate an income and to start a profitable business. Now, you also have what's more common, and a lot of people are talking about this, which is drop shipping. Now, drop shipping is a business model that most of you probably know. It's when you're selling products that you don't have in your inventory, and when someone buys it from your website, you then buy it from your supplier and send it straight to your customer. Now, I have been partnering recently with a company called Dropshipping. I've done a couple of videos for them, and I'll leave my links in the description down below to some of those videos and also to Dropshipping. And one of the reasons why I like Dropshipping is because you actually get a success manager, and that success manager will help you to pick your products, help you to create your website, and also, as well as that, you can start drop shipping from your website. And when your products start doing well, then you can buy those products in bulk and have them sent to one of Dropshipping's fulfillment centers. Now, they have quite a few of these fulfillment centers, so depending on where you're based in the world, they might have one close to you. So that means that yes, you're still drop shipping, but the lead time getting the product from the supplier to your customer is shortened, because you actually have your own warehouse, which is a lot more local, and you can actually fulfill orders a lot quicker. Now, also, you can kind of be selling your own products as well, maybe wholesaling, or maybe you're manufacturing your own products as well. And that is a completely different business model in itself. Now, in this case, you might actually be adopting platforms such as eBay, such as Amazon, such as Etsy. And I highly recommend, if you're selling a physical product, that you actually explore these platforms. A lot of people snuff these platforms and go straight on to creating their own website. And don't get me wrong, creating your own website can be great. It can be a really great way to knock out the middleman. But there's a lot of marketing involved with creating your own website. And I speak a lot about these marketing tips and strategies on this YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description down below to my marketing playlist. However, when you're putting your products on platforms such as eBay, Amazon, and Etsy, there's already internal traffic within those platforms. So people are actively going onto those platforms to potentially find the products that you have in your inventory. So it's a great way to kind of gain exposure to your products and to get a taste of the e-commerce world without having to create your own site. That being said, there's many benefits to creating your own site as well. I've done videos before on platforms such as Shopify, and you can actually create your own Shopify store, have it live within a day, and they make it super easy for you to do so. Again, all my links to my Shopify videos and a link to where you can start your Shopify store will be in the description down below. But you don't have to sell your own physical product. You can also sell your own digital products as well. Now, obviously, this can be a lot more lucrative, because with physical products, you have to think about manufacturing costs, you have to think about shipping costs, and you also have to think about returns as well. Now, if you create an online asset such as an online course or maybe you have some sort of ebook that you can sell, then you can create that once and sell that multiple times. And this can be a really great way for you to create passive income. And also you're lessening your overheads. There's a lot less overheads involved to creating and selling digital products. So I highly recommend, if you are a consultant of some sort, or you can offer some sort of training or some sort of program, then put that into some sort of digital product, and you can actually start marketing that and selling that online, and that can be a great business model. As well as this, you can actually offer your consultancy services as well. I myself am a digital marketing consultant, and that's partly how I make my income online as well. And so if there's any area that you are an expert in and you know you can consult, then obviously that's less like a digital product, because you're actually exchanging your time for money, but it is a great way as well to earn money online, to promote your services as a consultant, and to gain clients from the internet to work with you one-to-one. And as well as this, you might want to actually teach classes as well. So maybe you don't teach one-to-one, but maybe you teach class fulls of people, maybe a Zoom class, or a webinar of 15 to 20 people or whatnot. And you can actually teach that class and have training and coaching programs to those individuals. And these are all of the different business models that you might want to consider. You might want to choose one and run with it, or you might want to have a mixture of both. Like, for example, with my business, I do a little bit of affiliate marketing. I sell my own digital products. I do some coaching. I do some consulting. So I have a mixture of loads of different elements and different income streams. For my online business, I've also done some e-commerce and selling products, physical products as well online. So you might want to dabble in a few, see which one works for you. And if you can, create multiple income streams online, because that's the way to really build a solid online business. So once you've decided upon your business model, you then need to figure out what platforms you're going to utilize to help you to promote and market your business online. Now, there's no real answer to the question of what's the best platform for you to market your business on. The best platform to market your business on is wherever your customers are. So you really want to do some ground research and start figuring out, where do the majority of your target customers spend their time online, and market on those platforms. Now, when you're starting out with your online marketing, I recommend don't overwhelm yourself trying to be everywhere. You don't need an Instagram and a YouTube and a Facebook and a Twitter. Pick 2 platforms is what I recommend. One platform for paid marketing, and one platform where you're going to really put out a lot of content and try to attract your target customers to hopefully gather them as leads and your first customers into your business. Now, what platforms should you utilize? Now, in terms of paid traffic, I highly recommend considering Google Ads, Facebook ads, or influencer marketing. That is, from what I am seeing at the moment anyway, is working for myself and working for my clients. When it comes to Google ads, they are a little bit more technical and they can be a little bit more expensive, but depending on what you're offering, the product or the service that you're offering, Google ads might be highly effective. If your product is something that a lot of people are actively searching for in Google, and you can check this by using the Google Keyword Planner tool. I have a tutorial on how to use that. And again, I'll leave that in the description down below. So if a lot of people are searching for the product or the service that you plan on offering, then it might be a really good idea for you to create some Google ads for that particular product or service. Also, Facebook ads can be a really great choice for you as well. Now, Facebook ads are really great because you can hyper focus on the target customers that you want to see your particular ad. You can also utilize your email list, your past website visitors, and your followers to your Instagram account, your Facebook page, and if you have a Facebook group, you can target those people and create lookalike audiences as well. So this can be a really great way, not just to target cold traffic, but to target people who know a little bit about your brand or your website already, but just maybe haven't made that purchase yet, or maybe they want to make a second or a third or a fourth purchase. It's a great way to get people back to your business. And obviously, influencer marketing is something that is still fairly new. Not a lot of people are adopting it, so it's underpriced at the moment. And if you choose the right influencer, then you can actually have your products or services promoted in front of people who are ready to buy, who trust the influencer that's promoting your product or service, and this can be a great way for you to actually drive results to your business. Now, once all of that is out of the way, you then want to start thinking about creating your funnel. Yeah, creating your funnel, not necessarily creating your website. So let's say, for example, you choose Instagram and YouTube as two platforms that you want to market your business. So you want your customers to have somewhere to go after they look at your content on social media. So maybe you post loads of content on Instagram, but in the link in your Instagram bio, you actually have a page where people can land on, where they can enter their name and email address and become a part of your database. This will be known as your squeeze page or your opt-in page. Basically a page where people can actually sign up to your email list and where you can build your customer list. So a simple sales funnel might look something like this. You have your Instagram followers or your YouTube followers or your paid traffic, and a percentage of those people will click on the link that you have in your bio or your description or your ad, and they will come to your landing page or your opt-in page where they will leave their name and email address, and they are now on your email list. Then you can send them directly to your sales page where they can actually make a purchase of your product or your service. And even if they don't buy, the very first time they see your landing page, now you have their email address, so you can email them again, maybe a few days later, maybe a few weeks later. Sometimes it can even take months or years before someone converts into a sale. But once you're building that list of people, you should be emailing them often so that a percentage of them are always buying from you. And this is how you create a sustainable online business. Now, there are a number of ways that you can start building your email list for your business. One is to give something away for free. Now, I have the formula here, which is the free guide to generating leads and sales online. So if you guys are trying to build your online business and you really want the tips and the strategies to do so effectively, I highly recommend you downloading it, DeyTips.com/the formula. But I want you guys to see what I just did there. I promoted my free giveaway. So if you are a consultant or you offer some sort of online training or some sort of online course of some sort, then it might be a great idea for you to give away a valuable resource that your followers can download. And once they download that and they realize how valuable it is, they are a lot more likely to actually, want to join some of your paid programs or book you as a consultant or whatever it is that you're doing. And if you are selling some sort of products online, then, you don't just want to have a sign up for updates tab on your website for people to sign up, because the opt-in rate or the amount of people who decide to sign up is going to be terrible. Think about it. How many times you go to a website and it asks you for your email address? You don't want to give it because you don't want emails bombarding you all the time. But if there's some sort of incentive, if people maybe get a percentage off when they enter their email address and you send them a coupon code, or maybe they get their first order, shipping is free or something like that, create some sort of incentive for your customers or for your website visitors to enter their name and email address. Give them something of value, something that they will find valuable, because what your target customers will find valuable is what will incentivize them in leaving their name and email address. And once they leave their name and email address, you want to make sure that you are emailing them often. I see this so many times with some of my clients who have an email list and they're not emailing that list often enough. Now, even if your list are people who have bought from you before, chances are they are going to be your best customers and they will buy from you again. There's no point in just going after new customers all the time, but you really want to learn the art of cultivating the customers who have already bought from you. So these are my top tips to starting an online business. If you have any questions, then please do let me know in the comment section. And I really do hope that you found this video useful. Again, I do have the formula and I highly recommend you downloading it. This is the formula to generating leads and sales online to your online business, whatever online business you decide to start. As you can see, there's a copy next to me. I will also leave a copy in the description down below, as well as somewhere on this screen as well. It's completely free to download. So make sure you click it, download it, and actually read it, because it will help you with starting your online business. But if this video was helpful to you, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day. Make sure you download the formula, and I will see you soon.